How does door-to-door car shipping work? Door-to-door car shipping is a convenient and popular method for transporting vehicles, offering a hassle-free experience by picking up your car from a specified location and delivering it directly to your desired destination. This comprehensive guide explains how door-to-door car shipping works, its benefits, the process involved, and why it might be the right choice for your car transport needs. What is door-to-door car shipping? Definition: door-to-door car shipping is a service provided by auto transport companies where your vehicle is picked up from a specified location, such as your home, office, or any convenient address, and delivered directly to your chosen destination. This method provides maximum convenience and reduces the need for you to travel to terminals or drop-off points. Key features: convenience. Vehicle is picked up and delivered directly to specified addresses. Flexibility, suitable for both residential and commercial locations. No terminal hassle, eliminates the need to drop off or pick up your car from a terminal. How does door-to-door car shipping work? Process overview. The door-to-door car shipping process involves several key steps, from booking the service to the final delivery of your vehicle. Here's a detailed look at each step. 1. Request a quote. Overview. The first step is to contact a reputable auto transport company and request a quote for door-to-door shipping. Steps provide details. Share details about your vehicle, make, model, year, and your desired pickup and delivery locations. Receive. Quote. The transport company will provide a quote based on the distance, vehicle type, and any additional services required. 2. Schedule pickup and delivery. Overview. Once you accept the quote, the next step is to schedule the pickup and delivery dates that work best for you. Steps. Flexible dates. Be flexible with your dates to accommodate the carrier's schedule and ensure timely service. Confirm details. Confirm all details with the transport company, including addresses, contact information, and any special instructions. Third vehicle pickup. Overview. On the scheduled pickup date, the transport truck will arrive at the specified location to load your vehicle. Steps. Inspection. The driver will conduct a thorough inspection of your vehicle, documenting its current condition and noting any existing damage. Bill of lading. You will sign a bill of lading, which is a legal document outlining the terms of the transport and the condition of the vehicle. Loading. The vehicle is then loaded onto the transport trailer, securely fastened using straps and other securing mechanisms. Czwarty transport. Overview. The vehicle is transported to the destination, following the most efficient and safe route. Steps. Tracking. Many transport companies offer tracking services, allowing you to monitor the progress of your shipment. Communication. Maintain communication with the transport company for updates and any potential changes in the schedule. 5th. Vehicle delivery. Overview. Upon arrival at the destination, the driver will unload the vehicle and conduct a final inspection. Steps. Inspection. Inspect the vehicle with the driver to compare its condition against the initial inspection report. Bill of lading. Sign the bill of lading to acknowledge the delivery and condition of the vehicle. Payment. Complete any remaining payment processes if required. Benefits of door-to-door car shipping. Door-to-door car shipping offers several advantages, making it a preferred choice for many customers. 1. Convenience. Benefit. Direct service. The vehicle is picked up and delivered directly to your specified locations, eliminating the need to travel to terminals. Time saving. Saves time and effort by providing a streamlined and efficient transport process. 2. Flexibility. Benefit. Custom locations, suitable for various locations, including residential areas, office buildings, and other convenient addresses. Personalized service, tailored to meet your specific needs and preferences. 3. Safety and security. Benefit. Reduced handling. Minimizes the handling of the vehicle, reducing the risk of damage during loading and unloading. Secure transport. Professional drivers and secure loading methods ensure the vehicle is transported safely. When to choose door-to-door car shipping. Suitable for residential moves, ideal for individuals relocating to a new home and needing a convenient car transport solution. Busy schedules, perfect for those with tight schedules who cannot afford the time to drop off or pick up their vehicle at a terminal. Special circumstances, suitable for transporting high-value, classic, or exotic cars that require careful handling and direct service. Why choose Route Runners? Auto Transport. Route Runners Auto Transport offers reliable and professional door-to-door car shipping services. Here's why we are the best choice for your car transport needs. 1. Extensive experience. With years of experience in the industry, our team is skilled in handling all types of car transport scenarios, ensuring your vehicle is transported safely and efficiently. Second, comprehensive services. We offer a range of services to meet your specific needs, including open transport, cost-effective and widely available; closed transport, maximum protection for high-value vehicles; expedited shipping, for urgent transport needs; door-to-door service, convenient pickup and delivery at locations specified by you. 3. Transparent pricing. Our transparent pricing model ensures no hidden fees or surprises. We provide detailed quotes that outline all costs associated with the transport, allowing you to budget effectively. 4. Exceptional customer service. At Route Runners Auto Transport, we prioritize customer satisfaction. Our dedicated support team is available to assist you at every stage of the transport process. We provide clear communication, regular updates, and tracking options to keep you informed about your vehicle's status. 5. Safety and security. We prioritize the safety and security of your vehicle during transport. Our professional drivers are highly trained, and we use the latest transport equipment to ensure your car is handled with the utmost care. Additional tips for door-to-door car shipping. 1. Plan ahead. Tip: early booking. Book your door-to-door car shipping service well in advance to ensure availability and the best rates. 2. Prepare your vehicle. Tip: inspection and cleaning. Clean your car and conduct a thorough inspection before transport. Document its condition with photos and notes. Remove personal items. Remove all personal belongings and ensure the vehicle is free of any loose items. 3. Communicate clearly. Tip: provide accurate information. Ensure that the transport company has accurate details about the pickup and delivery locations, contact information, and any special instructions. Conclusion: door-to-door car shipping is a convenient and efficient method for transporting vehicles, providing a hassle-free experience by picking up and delivering your car directly to your specified locations. It offers significant benefits, including convenience, flexibility, and enhanced safety. At Route Runners Auto Transport, we specialize in providing reliable and efficient door-to-door car shipping services tailored to meet your specific needs. Contact us today at 888-424-4420 or visit our website for a free quote. Trust Route Runners Auto Transport to deliver your vehicle safely and efficiently, and experience the peace of mind that comes with working with the best in the industry.